This is right here is my green beans and yellow beans. They're about to be pretty soon developing some mini green beans. See the beautiful? No pesticides. You don't see a hole in none of it. The marigolds down there keeping the pests. That's why I made the base of it. So hopefully it should be a good harvest. In a couple, maybe about, about a week from now, I'll be showing some beans on this. As you can see, the color, the flower, and then the fruit. We are seeds. When man plants sperm in a woman, then we develop life. The female and the male. No male to male can produce life. It must be male and female. This is plant life, same as human life. Good morning. Once again, this is Bernard from Bernard Expression. Here you're seeing this right now. This is my final stage in my spinach harvest. This is what real spinach look like. No pesticides from my backyard. You see them vines? You see them roots? We have the vines and roots. We are the vines and roots of civilization. This is plant life and we're in human life. So this is my fourth pull from my spinach. And this is from my home garden without my mother teaching me this. She was a farmer, sharecropper, and I'm making sure I continue to keep her legacy going on by eating fresh vegetation. Mom, may your soul rest peacefully. Thank you for teaching me how to do this. This is the end result after I stripped off all the roots from the spinach. That's enough for one meal right there. I can make probably a spinach omelet, whatever, salad. That's enough for one person. This is going to be on breakfast this morning. Instead of eating sausage, bacon, and ham and all that stuff, this is my life. I eat this, I have energy. That's why I can stay up and move like I move, because this is life, just like we are. This will give me all the nutrients I need to start my day. This is part of my breakfast. I'm going to do it with my last piece of salmon I had. Yes. Prepare my food the way I want it, because I know what's healthy for me. And this is the final result of my fourth pull, the last harvest of my spinach, because it's going to be hot pretty soon and the spinach will not be able to survive in all that heat. They're cool weather vegetables. This is my Spanish omelet. As you can see, I just picked these spinach from my garden. You see, this is a salmon omelet. You see the salmon? Yes. I've learned this from my son. Well, my stepson, Craig. He taught me this. Thank you for teaching me how to make an omelet. I never knew how to make it. You know, I hope that you're safe and you're still with the living, because I haven't spoken to you in a while. This is my Spanish omelet, Spanish salmon omelet, out of real salmon, not canned salmon. We talk about wild catch. And also the eggs that I have in here. Unfortunately, I don't do a lot of eggs because I have a issue about doing dairy products. But overall, this is the process that I'm doing. This is my breakfast. Light, keeps me energized. It's healthier. and I'm cooking it. Stay tuned for the final results of my morning breakfast that I created and fixed at my own residence. See you shortly. Here's finished results. Everything that's on this plate right here is living food, low fat. Yes, it looks like a lot, but it's not. It's enough for me to keep me going for my early morning. So this is the result. That's my spinach, salmon, omelet with fresh vegetables. Everything on this plate has seeds, because we are the seed of life. Not a lab tool. This is fresh vegetables. This is life.